Nana, you know the vibe. We see you looking, you should smell the aroma in the kitchen when she cooking. She the real deal when she make a home cooked meal. She's Nana the saucy chef, she got skills. Nana the saucy chef, she got skills.
Nana the Saucy Chef. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel.
Nana the Saucy Chef.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana the Saucy Chef. Today we're going to be making grilled cheese sloppy joes. The ingredients that we're going to need today are 1/4 cup of ketchup, 1 small onion diced, 2 large garlic cloves minced, 1 8-ounce can of tomato sauce, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, 2 tablespoons of barbecue sauce, 1/2 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 1 tablespoon of mustard, 1.5 tablespoons of mayonnaise, American sliced cheese, hamburger buns, and also 1 pound of ground beef. In a small bowl, you want to add your garlic powder, your black pepper, your paprika, and also your salt. And all we're going to do is mix that together. In a heated pan, we're going to go ahead and add our 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You want that to come to temperature. Now you want to add in your onion. We're going to saute that for 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, you want to add in your minced garlic. And you want to saute that for 1 minute. And we're sauteing this over medium heat. Now you want to add your pound of ground beef. We're just going to break that up and make sure everything is well combined. Now you want to add in your seasoning mixture. And we're just going to mix everything until it's well combined. And you want to cook your ground beef until it's all brown. After your ground beef is done cooking, you want to turn off your heat. You want to remove it from the pan and drain it of all excess grease. Once you drain your ground beef, return it back to your pan. We're going to add in our tomato sauce, our Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, our mustard, and also our barbecue sauce. You're going to mix it until it's well combined, and we're going to let it simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Now you want to go ahead and get your hamburger buns and your mayonnaise. We're just going to open them up. And we're going to place mayonnaise on both sides. Next, we're going to toast our hamburger buns until they're golden brown. And you want your heat to be on medium. Now you want to place a slice of American cheese right on top. Once you place your American cheese on, all you want to do is go ahead and spoon over top your sloppy Joe mixture. Once you're done doing that, you want to go ahead and add another slice of American cheese on top, and you just want to flip the top of your bun over. Okay guys, so here we have it, our grilled cheese sloppy joes. Look how cheesy they are. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please come back. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching. Feel free to leave a comment. And until next time, this is Nana, the Saucy Chef.